Hi, it's Daniel.
And Jenny.
And Talia.
And we are here today to say goodbye to our friend Toontown.
It's going to be under refurbishment for about a year, and it is going to have a huge number of improvements made, so we're really excited and really looking forward to it.
Toontown is going to be closed until Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway opens sometime in 2023. We are here to explore the area, take one last look at all the fun interactive things that Toontown has to offer, and do one last ride on Gadget's Go Coaster and Roger Rabbit's Cartoon Spin.
I'm going to show everybody all the cars and stuff, and even the Goofy water.
There are a lot of interactive elements in Toontown for kids, and so Talia is going to be showing them all to you.
Official tour guide.
Come join us as we explore Mickey's Toontown here at Disneyland for the last time.
So as you enter on the right, here is Roger Rabbit's Cartoon Spin. There is a fun Roger Rabbit fountain over here in the middle. And we will go for a ride on Roger Rabbit's Cartoon Spin right now. Come join us.
Holy smokes, Roger! We've been there!
How you think us pouring the dip, boys? Well done.
And in front of it is the fire truck, and you can ride on it. Here, see? Beep, beep. And there are many more fun stuff inside, so come join us as we look inside. You'll never know what surprising things and features are there. Look what happens when I press the doorbell. We're going into the post office now.
Bet you never had a mailbox talk to you before. Why, I was born at the post office. I was a special delivery.
My mails are not bad. It's just written that way.
Now here is the jail we're going into. Help, I'm in jail! Help me get out of jail! I'm stuck. Look what happens when I press this.
Right now, Toontown has already started its construction. They put up all of these fun signs which are references to newer and older Mickey Mouse cartoons. My favorite detail is that all of these walls have been put up by the Chinny Chin Chin Construction Company, also known as the Three Little Pigs. And here is an awesome Goofy movie reference. Plan your trip to Lester's Possum Park today.
Here is a weight thing, which I'm trying to lift, and it is very heavy, and it will not budge. Now here is this giant thing which I'm trying to make the fireworks go off. Ta-da! Oh no! You never know what will happen. Let's see what happens. Look, see, it changes its eyes. What? And let me see if I can try and lift these boxes.
This used to be the Jolly Trolley station, which is one of the big changes that they've made to Toontown over the years. There used to be a trolley that ran around when it first opened. A few years ago, they did take the trolley and have it be in place where you could take photos with it. But after the closure, they permanently removed the trolley itself. During the remodeling, they will be removing these tracks.
This is Toon Park, which I think they're maybe going to turn it into Centennial Park when it reopens.
This is Goofy's Playhouse. When Toontown originally opened, this actually was a bounce house inside. And then a few years ago, they renovated it and made the outdoor area a playground. Since the reopening, they have not reopened this area at all, but sometimes you can find characters in Goofy's garden or on his porch, and they're happy to say hi and take photos.
Here is Vickys Car, and I'm driving it. Even though the wheel does not spin, it's still okay. And there's a back seat too. See the little back seat here? I've never tried it, but now it is fun. And it can now go up to 4 people because it is a little bit silly because it has a back seat and a front seat.
This used to be part of the Goofy Playground area. As you can see, there's no bouncy elements, but there is a piano, which makes all sorts of fun noises, and some pretend furniture for kids to hang out on.
So here is some the gas from Goofy's Gas, and they have fish in it, which is a bit silly. Nobody would want fishy gas, but it's still okay, and the gas is still clean and nice looking. And they actually put in real water there, and there's Goofy's Gas, Escaboop, and there's Goofy's Gas regular. And now here I am driving in a never ever cars. Beep beep. So here's what on the other side there are silly little things like oil and other stuff. And here are some food stations, but they are now closed. It's a drinking fountain.
This is the City Hall for Toontown. There is a fun clock on top. I don't think that it's operational at the moment. There also used to be some quick service restaurants over here, but these never reopened in 2020. And from here, we have a great view of all the progress they've made on Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. This will be the entrance to the theater right here.
So here is the fountain, and it makes noise. This is the tuba. This is the saxophone. This is the trumpet. This is a weird saxophone. So here is Vickys Car, and I am driving it. And this is the steering wheel.
Good morning, Mickey.
Hi, Mickey.
You wanna
Good to see you. How's your day going? Good? Staying cool in the shade? It's very sunny. You might want to take that coat off.
Hi, Donald. So here is Donald up in his boat. And I like your chicken. Hi, Minnie. I like your watering can. I like your watering can. Look at my flower bud. My flower is opening. We are going to go for Chippendales Treehouse now. So here's Chippendales Treehouse, which has a lot of doors. And I'm expecting that these are closets or bedrooms. And then here is a picture of them playing. And there's peanut butter, cashew butter, and acorn butter. And up here is another picture of them playing. And then there's a light above my head, which I'm trying very hard to knock down. And then here is a drawer. And then now we are going to go up the stairs. Here is a window that is closed. Here is a window that is open. And we are at the top of the treehouse, which I assume is a bedroom. And remember, here are some drawers. And then here is a window with a handle. And then we are going now down the stairs.
Up here at the top of Chippendales Treehouse, it used to go across the way to that post over there where there's a big hole in it. And then there was a slide, I believe it was a slide, or some way to get down into this lower area. And in this lower area, it was actually a ball pit that you could play in. But that was taken out a long time ago.
So here is Gadget's roller coaster going on, and the line is made out of rubber silly things.
Hold on, your hat's here.
We are all done exploring Toontown.
We hope you had fun checking out all the fun details in Toontown, and we can't wait to see what improvements and what new things are here when it reopens next year.
Let us know down in the comments below, what are you going to miss most about the current state of Toontown?
Or you can tell us, what are you looking forward to the most?
We can't wait for Runaway Railway to open in 2023 and see what Toontown 2.0 looks like.
What are you looking forward to?
I'm looking forward to Centennial Park and Goofy's Playhouse.
I'm really going to miss all the fun little interactive details, but hopefully the next version of Toontown still has all of that stuff in it.
Please like this video and subscribe, and give a hashtag Talia and big thumbs up if you like me.
And we hope we put you in a magical mood.